First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, seventh, sixth, first, second. After 1 minute 30 seconds, the top drivers are Gordo in first place, followed by Mark in second place, followed by Greg in third place, followed by Kyle in fourth place, followed by Baird in fifth place, third, fourth, fifth, first, second, third, seventh, fourth, sixth, fifth, first, second, third, fourth, sixth, fifth, first, second, seventh, third, fourth, sixth, first, second, third, fifth. After 3 minutes 1 second, the top drivers are Gordo in first place, followed by Mark in second place, followed by Greg in third place, followed by Kyle in fourth place, followed by Baird in fifth place, fourth, seventh, first, sixth, second, third, fourth, fifth, first, second, third, sixth, seventh, fourth, first, fifth, second, third, sixth, fourth, first, second, third, fifth. After 4 minutes 31 seconds, the top drivers are Gordo in first place, followed by Mark in second place, followed by Greg in third place, followed by Kyle in fourth place, followed by Baird in fifth place, sixth, fourth, first, second,
some good marshalling by Levi.
third, fifth, 2
You
minutes
got it
left.
marked over in the corner, huh?
First. Second. Third. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. First. Fourth. Second. Third. Fifth. Sixth. Fourth. First. Second. Third. 1 minute left. After 6 minutes 1 second, the top drivers are Gordo in first place, followed by Greg in second place, followed by Mark Mick in third place, followed by Kyle in fourth place, followed by Aiming Dave in fifth place. Fifth. Fourth. Seventh. First. Sixth. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. First. Second. Sixth. Third. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. First Gordo done. Second Mark Mick done. Third Greg done. Sixth Baird done. Fourth Kyle done. Fifth Aiming Dave done.